Hi, welcome to week 3, Net 126. This week, started introducing to dynamic routing. Last week was static routing, where you manually assign the routes that you want a packet to travel between destinations. Now we have started introducing routing protocols, rules and algorithms that actually will dynamically route and make changes to the network based on a lot of different things, whether it's distance away from a network, whether it's the links, speeds, EIGRP, one of the distance vector protocols, has some other weird Cisco parameters that we'll get into a little bit in one of the later chapters. But this one we're going to start with dynamic routing, and we'll look at RIP versions 1 and 2. So right now there's only one lab. You still got the Chapter 3 exam that's taken in Neticat and the Reflection Journal. Remember, the Reflection Journal, as mentioned several times, is how I take your attendance. So make sure you do that. Free form, 250 words. So Quizlet information there, a couple of lectures. Very soon I'll be posting this little brief video. So enjoy the week, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye-bye.